sweeties, it's TeeElle and I'm back with another one. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, thumbs up the video. Come on and join the fun.
Sweet thing. And now you're mine.
Welcome and welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title and the thumbnail, I'm back with another Dollar Tree DIY project. Happy Halloween to y'all. October 31st. It is the last day of Vlogtober. I made it through. If you have not watched any of my Vlogtober videos, go ahead and watch all of them. There's vlogs in there. I traveled. I did DIY projects. I had family vlogs. Tons of fun. So go ahead and check them out. This project that I'm doing today is something you have seen before on my channel. If you're new here, you're going to see it for the first time. But this one is with a twist for Halloween. So I'm putting this video out in time for y'all to go to Dollar Tree and create this large pumpkin candy for your children, your child, your best friend, your mom, your dad, your sister, your aunt, your cousin, your side piece, sneaky link, whoever you want to create it for, y'all. So what you're going to need, 2 of these bowls, some candy. You can go ahead and put your candy in one bowl. Go ahead and get you some black construction paper, or I had some felt, some black felt, but I don't know where I put it at. I think my daughter took it. But I ended up using some tablecloth that I had from my other candy. So go ahead and check out that video. But I cut the tablecloth that I had, and I made 2 triangles, and I made like a little mouth here for my pumpkin. I have these bows. You get 2 for $1.25 at Dollar Tree. Everything's from Dollar Tree. Scissors. I got some tool that I may or may not use. I have some pipes that I may or may not use. No, actually, I'm going to use the pipes. I have 2 of them here. I have some Elmer's glue. I wouldn't pick this up because I don't want to use hot glue on a tablecloth. So I got some Elmer's glue. And I have this tablecloth, which is one of my favorites from Dollar Tree. So go ahead and get you a tablecloth. Alright. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm sorry, you also need some tape. Some tape. Put your candy in your bowl. Alright. So we have some Rice Krispie treats, some crackers, Now and Later's, Laffy Taffies, pretzels, Skittles, Rolos, Kit Kats, Twizzlers, Snickers, applesauce, fruit cup, juice. Got some stuff in here. Some good stuff for the kiddos. Go ahead and take your second bowl and place it right on top. And then you're going to take your tape and go ahead and tape around the bowl. What are y'all's plans for Halloween? I put on my community tab and also on my Facebook page that I am kind of over like the whole trick-or-treating thing. You know, I mean, we got candy here at home. I want to cook, watch movies, have fun, dance, eat. I'm going to create a taco bar. So I really do want to stay home, but I know my kids are going to want to go out and trick-or-treat. But it's cold. People are crazy these days. Like, really cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs, and I just kind of want to stay in. Oh, my thing fell. I'll get it. Alright, so I'm just blowing everything off the table. So next, get your tablecloth. And we're going to go ahead and wrap this candy up. You are not going to need the entire tablecloth. So, fold out 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm going to do 5. So as you unfold your tablecloth, ooh, you see the lines in them? I counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rectangles. I'm going to cut. A nice amount left to still cover a table this small, a 4-foot table. This is a 4-foot table. So you still have enough for that. So what I like to do is place it right back into the plastic. Honestly, I will probably use this tonight for our taco bar. So I'm gonna place it right back in there until later. Right now it's about, I'm gonna say like 3 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I'll be using that very soon. All right, so now I'm going to open up my tablecloth. Completely. This is really like my most favorite tablecloth. It is so pretty. You can use it for any season, any holiday. All right. Place our candy on top. All right, so we're going to take our back, bring it over, and tape it down. Just like that. We're going to take our front. Actually, we're going to push our bowl over some because you want to make sure it's equal on both sides. There we go. And take the front, bring it over. Okay, just like that. You're going to put a nice piece of tape right here on the back. All right. So now that we have our bowl taped in our tablecloth, as you can see, we're now going to gather one side of the tablecloth so we can create the candy look. So I'm going to grab my piping, which I usually use a ribbon or another bow to do this, but I'm going to use my pipes for this. So grab it. Give it a nice little twist. Okay. Take our pipe, let a little hang off with the front like that, and wrap around to hold it in place. Okay, and then you just twist both of the pipes together to really secure it. And it's okay if the candy slides to the other side a little bit. You'll just push it back over before you wrap the other side. Okay, just like that. Pull. Twist. One side always looks better than the other. You can let some loose right here and then slide over. So I'm going to go ahead and put my face on my candy pumpkin. I'm going to turn it to me for a little bit. You can use tape if you want, which is probably the easiest thing to do. But I'm going to put some glue on mine. Okay, so I have one on, let's do the other. Alright, so now that I have my face on, I'm going to grab my bow, my stem, and I'm going to place it on top of my candy. And place it there. Now, to add tulle or to not, yes, let's add some tulle. Let's make it real cute. Not too much, but we're going to add some. This is adorable. Just a little pop of color with the tulle. Nothing too major. Just real cute and simple. Look how cute she is. Hey, girl. And there you have it. Large Halloween candy filled with more candy. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Thank y'all so much for tuning in to Lifeasteeelle. Thank y'all for rocking with me for this entire Vlogtober. I appreciate you. I appreciate the ones who show continuous love and support. Thank you, thank you, thank you. If you're new here, thank you for visiting. I hope you consider subscribing, clicking the bell so you're notified when I post content. Just do it. Become a sweetie. Let's go. Happy Halloween to y'all. Have a safe evening. And I'll catch y'all in the next video. I am out. Peace.
Ha ha ha.